Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Once you see the boot mode, you can let go of both of those buttons, and then using volume buttons, either up or down, you want to select, because we don't have Fastboot mode visible in here, so we're going to select recovery mode, confirm it with the power button. Next, once you see Android with no command, hold power button, and while holding power button, press volume up once. This redirects us to recovery mode, and again using volume buttons, we're going to select, enter Fastboot. Sorry for the focus, there we go. And then we're going to confirm that with the power button again. And there we go, there's our Fastboot mode. And just like on the previous page, you can navigate using volume buttons, and power button will confirm whatever is selected. Now from here we can reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We can go back to recovery mode, bootloader, or power off. So bootloader was the first page we've seen after turning off the device, and then a recovery mode was the similar looking page, just with more options. So anyway, I'm going to confirm the first option. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.